there's a certain New Zealandness in my music. You know, just the physical country. You know, the rivers, the water, the mountains, all this stuff is very deep inside me. For me, jazz is an attitude. It's an attitude towards life, and it's all about the pursuit of truth. What's real? I mean, we need this in today's world. I mean, more than ever. This immediate emotional connection that transcends the music on the page. Wow, this is kind of the culmination of a lot of things. Thank you for this wonderful honor.